Hi everyone, this is Yagi Magi POC over here. Today we're gonna learn how to crack Wi-Fi password. We are going to try that with the NVIDIA GTX 1080 power. Okay, this is my graphic card, and we are not trying to do that with the CPU. The CPU is cracking with the amount of 11,000 passwords per second, okay? And with the NVIDIA GTX 1080, for example, graphic card, we are using 300,000 password per second, which is a lot faster, okay? So I'm gonna use my NVIDIA. I can check that with NVIDIA SMI and see that I have it installed. All the drivers, everything is working great. You can watch another video in order to understand how to completely install all the drivers and stuff like this. It can be a mess, but it's working right now for me. Okay, so I have the GTX 1080 over here. I can also use Hashcat, which is the software we're going to use. I'm not gonna use John or something like this. I'm gonna use Hashcat. So Hashcat minus capital I, and we have the NVIDIA GTX 1080 over here. Okay, so everything is ready. So I have my Alpha card connected, which is this one. Okay, it's Alpha Wi-Fi card. This is the model. This is a great Wi-Fi card. I would suggest you guys to buy it and try it. Okay, so let's try iw-config. We can see that we have WLAN 0, which is the name of our Wi-Fi card, our Wi-Fi interface. LO, it's a loopback interface. It's not relevant right now. ETH is most of the time is the actual cable, LAN cable that is connected to our PC. I'm not gonna use it. I'm gonna use the Wi-Fi card. The name of the interface right now is WLAN 0, and the mode is managed. I need to switch the mode from managed to monitored. Let's see how we do that. So we're going to use airmon ng start in order to enable the monitoring mode on WLAN 0. And we are done. So let's iw-config again. We can see the WLAN 0 is now WLAN 0 mon. This is the new name that we have for this interface. And the mode is monitor. Okay, so we have changed the mode to monitoring. Let's continue. We are going to scan for networks around with the following command: sudo airdump ng wlan 0 mon, which is the new name that we have for the interface, and we can control C to stop. Okay, so this is the two routers that we have right now. This is my router that I'm going to crack. BSSID, it's the MAC address of this router. OR2 is the name of the Wi-Fi for this specific router. Channel is 7 in our case. Okay, now again, this is the MAC address of the router. This is the name of the Wi-Fi for this specific router that we are going to break, we're going to crack. And this is the channel that we are working on, that this router is working on. Okay, so for example, the other router, this one is working on channel 1. We want to switch to channel 7. We want to listen on channel 7. So let's see how we do that. We are going to use the following command: sudo iw config wlan 0 mon channel, and the channel we want, which is 7. Okay, let's continue. Now we are going to scan a specific router, not the whole routers around, only a specific router. So we're going to scan for this router, and we are going to capture everything to a .cap file which we can open after that with Wireshark, for example, and see what's inside. So this is the whole packets that flowing around us, which is relevant to this specific router. Okay, let's do that. So the command will be sudo aerodump ng wlan 0mon, which is the interface that we are using all the time, the new name, minus minus bssid, which is the name, the MAC address of the target router. Let's copy that. Minus c for channel, the channel will be 7, that's right. And minus minus write. In order to write everything to a file, we will call this file O2. Okay, we'll call this O2 on the location that we are at. So dot slash, this is the location we are at, and we are going to create this file, which we'll call O2. Enter. Now we are capturing everything. What needs to be done next? Okay, in case first we need to have some device that is connected to the network in order to kick him out and try to capture the password that this device is transmitting again to the router in order to connect. So after we kick, for example, my Galaxy S9 for the network, he will try an attempt to reconnect again, and I'm gonna catch the information inside those packets, those internet packets that is flying around. What is going to be in these packets? It's gonna be the hashed version of the password. So if the password is 1234, for example, okay, if the password is 1234 and the hash is something like this, okay, for example, I'm gonna catch this one and I'm going to ask the hashcat program to check my word list. I have, as I said earlier, we have a lot of hash or a lot of passwords with the hashes in a file. So it's gonna check everything in this file, in this word list, and until it's find the exact hash, and then it's gonna say, oh, this is 1234. Okay, so this is how we know what is the password. Let's continue. So after we collect the password, we're gonna see here WPA handshake, and then we know that we have the hash within the file that we are recording. Okay, so let's connect my Samsung Galaxy S9 to the Wi-Fi network, which called O2. So the password is 123456788. Okay, so my phone is connected right now. Let's Control C in order to stop. Let's explain what we are seeing right now. So as I said earlier, we need to have at least one device that is connected to this network in order to kick him out and and wait him to automatically reconnect. For example, I have Galaxy S9, which is appearing right now, as you can see over here. This is the MAC address of my Galaxy S9, and this is the MAC address of the router that it's connected to. So we are going to capture everything on the network, and as I said earlier, we need to have at least one device that is connected to the network in order to capture his attempt to reconnect to the network after we kicked him out. So we're gonna kick him out and wait until he try to reconnect and capture the hash, and then to crack the hash and understand what it was from the word list. Okay, what was the original password? So this is the this MAC address 6C ending with E6 is my Galaxy S9 phone that is connected to this router. Okay, so first we will need to kick him out, and then we will catch over here at the top. Let me Control C and stop that for example for 1 second. over here we will see WPA handshake catched. Okay, so we're gonna kick him out, wait until he try to reconnect. We're gonna catch this password and we will have it on the file. So let's try and record the file again. Okay, so I'm recording the file. I have the Galaxy S9 connected right now to the network. Let's open YouTube for 1 second in order to have some packets flowing around. Okay, now we see it. Um, on another terminal, we are going to perform the actual kick of this Galaxy S9 phone. So let's copy this MAC address. This is the Galaxy S9, uh, Galaxy S9 smartphone, which is connected to this router. Okay, this is the same MAC address of the router. We can kick everyone from the network and we can kick a specific device. Okay, so let's try to kick a specific device first. So the command will be like this: sudo replay ng -0, which is the mode of the authentication, number of packets we want. I'm gonna choose 8 packets for now, -a, and a will be our router. So this is the router. Let's copy that and paste. -c is the client, which is the Galaxy S9. This is our target basically. Paste. And the name of the interface, which is WLAN 0 mon. After I will click enter, you will start to see some packets flowing around. We'll also see those packets on the screen. The phone will be disconnected, okay, because what this command will do, it will say it will tell the router that, hey, we are the Galaxy S9. I don't want to be on your network. So the router will say, okay, so just I'm gonna kick you out. So this is what is going to happen. Right after that, the Galaxy S9 will not be in the network at all, and it will try to reconnect to the network. After it reconnects to the network, we will see the WPA handshake over here captured. So the whole process is like 5 to 10 seconds. Okay, so watch close. I'm gonna try and capture my file. So I'm recording everything that is happening on the network, on the Wi-Fi. And again, I'm not connected to the Wi-Fi right now. I'm just listening. I'm performing some man-in-the-middle attack. Okay, I'm just sniffing. Let's kick out. Kick out the phone, and we have captured the handshake. So the phone was disconnected from the network. He automatically, after 1-2 seconds, try to reconnect again, and we have captured the relevant packet that contains the MD5 hash, which is the hash version of the original password. Now we're gonna try and understand what is this hash, what this hash was before, what is the original password, okay? So we can Control C, stop capturing because we already have it over here, we have captured. The name of the file will be, we set it to be O2. So the name of the file will be O2. We have O2. I've captured a few of them. Um, so the last one I think is O2-2. Okay, so this was the original one I tried, which is not wasn't good. So I tried again, and this is the new one. So we have a few versions of this file. We have the CSV file, the netxml file, CSV file, and we want the cap. We want the cap file, okay? So now in order to convert the .cap file to .hcc capx file, which is hashcat file, we will need to install some software. So this is the software we are going to install, okay? Next command is this one. Next command is this one. Next command is this one. And we are ready to go. Let's check. Cap. Yeah, cap2 hcc capx. So we have it installed. Now, in order to convert the file, let's verify that we have it. Yeah, it's O2, this file. So the command will be like this. Cap2 hcc capx, the original file, which is this one, and the new file that we want, we can call it our hash dot hcc cap hcc cap x hc cap x. Yep. Enter. Okay, looks great. Now we need to um, make some word list. Okay, so there is a lot of I will also make a video of how to create a word list with the crunch software. Okay, I'm not gonna show how to do that in this video, but let's assume we have some word list to use. So basically you can locate RockU. Okay, this one, if it's a zipped file, just unzip it and you will get this file. Let's see what's inside. So cut user share word list RockU. So it has a lot of password inside, and we are going to use hashcat right now to crack the hash file. The command will be like this. Hashcat -a 0 -m 2500 -w 4 and the location of our file. So it's this one. And now the location of the word list. So we said user share word list and RockU. Enter. Now it's working. We can hit S for status and it's cracked. So as I told you, I have like something like 400 kilo hashes per second. So as you can see, after 5 seconds it cracked the password. The status is cracked. That was the original speed, which is perfect for a good graphic card. Um, and if we go up a bit, we can see it's cracked, and this is the password for this relevant hash, for this relevant Wi-Fi name. This is the password. So basically that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to the thumbs up if you like this video, and I wish you a great day.